Artificial intelligence has ushered in an era of transformation, reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From healthcare to manufacturing, finance to education, the impact of AI is profound and far-reaching. In this video, we delve into the 10 industries that AI is disrupting, exploring the advancements, challenges, and opportunities that this technological revolution brings. 1. Healthcare. The AI revolution is transforming healthcare, redefining diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Artificial intelligence is leveraging its analytical capabilities to process vast amounts of medical data, aiding in early disease detection, accurate diagnosis, and personalized treatment plans. Machine learning algorithms are uncovering patterns that were once beyond human comprehension, leading to more effective medical interventions and improved patient outcomes. AI's impact on healthcare extends to predictive analytics, allowing healthcare providers to anticipate disease outbreaks and epidemics. Additionally, AI-powered robotics are revolutionizing surgery by enhancing precision and reducing recovery times. Despite its potential, ethical concerns arise regarding patient data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and the potential for AI to replace human medical expertise. Striking a balance between technological advancements and the human touch is essential. The AI revolution in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize the field, making healthcare more accessible, efficient, and personalized. By augmenting medical professionals' capabilities, AI has the power to address some of the most pressing challenges in healthcare and drive improvements in patient care on a global scale. 2. Finance. The AI revolution is reshaping the financial sector, forging a path toward a more efficient and data-driven industry. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing trading practices through algorithmic trading and predictive analytics. These technologies analyze market trends, optimize investment strategies, and even execute trades at lightning speed. AI-powered chatbots enhance customer service, handling inquiries promptly and accurately. However, the integration of AI in finance brings forth challenges such as algorithmic bias, ethical decision-making, and regulatory concerns. Ensuring transparency in algorithmic processes and addressing biases is crucial to maintaining trust in the financial system. The evolution of AI in finance also raises questions about job displacement, as automation streamlines many traditional roles. The industry must adapt by fostering a culture of continuous learning and upskilling to equip professionals with the skills needed in an AI-augmented financial landscape. 3. Manufacturing. The AI revolution is profoundly reshaping the manufacturing landscape, ushering in a new era of automation, efficiency, and innovation. Artificial intelligence is powering smart factories, where robots equipped with AI technology perform complex tasks with unparalleled precision, resulting in increased production rates and enhanced quality control. Predictive maintenance algorithms prevent equipment breakdowns, minimizing costly downtime and optimizing resource allocation. Despite the promise of increased productivity, concerns about job displacement arise as automation becomes more prevalent. The transition to an AI-augmented manufacturing environment requires upskilling and reskilling efforts to ensure a skilled workforce capable of operating and maintaining advanced technologies. Moreover, the integration of AI in manufacturing raises questions about data security and privacy. Protecting sensitive manufacturing data from cyber threats and ensuring robust data governance mechanisms are vital in maintaining the integrity of AI-driven manufacturing processes. 4. Retail. The AI revolution is redefining the retail landscape, shaping personalized shopping experiences like never before. Artificial intelligence is analyzing consumer behavior to offer tailored product recommendations, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. Chatbots powered by AI provide real-time customer support, optimizing user experience. AI algorithms predict demand patterns and streamline inventory management, reducing overstock and stockouts. However, the collection and analysis of user data for personalization raise concerns about data privacy and security. Striking a balance between delivering customized experiences and protecting customer information is paramount. The AI revolution in retail holds the promise of more efficient supply chains, improved customer relationships, and a more seamless shopping journey in an increasingly digital world. 5. Transportation. The AI revolution is profoundly impacting the transportation sector, redefining mobility in unprecedented ways. Artificial intelligence is driving the development of self-driving vehicles, promising enhanced road safety and reduced traffic congestion. AI-powered traffic management systems optimize traffic flow and enhance urban planning. However, ethical and legal challenges, such as liability in accidents and decision-making in critical scenarios, necessitate a careful balance between technological advancement and public safety. Regulatory frameworks must evolve to ensure the responsible deployment of AI-driven transportation technologies. The AI revolution in transportation holds the potential to create more efficient, sustainable, and accessible mobility solutions, reshaping the way we navigate our cities and connect with the world around us. 6. Agriculture. The AI revolution is making profound inroads into agriculture, revolutionizing traditional farming practices. Artificial intelligence is enabling data-driven insights that optimize crop yield and resource utilization. AI-powered sensors monitor soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health, enabling farmers to make informed decisions and maximize productivity. Drones equipped with AI technology conduct aerial assessments of fields, aiding in pest management and yield prediction. However, bridging the digital divide to ensure small-scale farmers can access and benefit from AI tools remains a challenge. As AI continues to evolve, collaboration between technology providers and agricultural communities becomes vital. The AI revolution in agriculture holds the promise of greater food security, sustainable farming practices, and increased efficiency in a world with a growing population and changing climate. 7. Education. The AI revolution is reshaping education, ushering in a new era of personalized learning. Artificial intelligence is tailoring educational experiences to individual students' needs, enhancing engagement and comprehension. Adaptive algorithms analyze student performance data, adjusting content delivery and pacing. AI-powered platforms provide real-time feedback, assisting educators in identifying areas for improvement. However, ethical concerns about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for technology to replace the human touch in education arise. Balancing the benefits of AI-driven education with the preservation of critical human skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence is pivotal. The AI revolution in education holds the potential to make learning more accessible, engaging, and effective, but its integration must be guided by thoughtful considerations that prioritize student well-being and holistic development. 8. Energy. The AI revolution is permeating the energy sector, reshaping how we generate, distribute, and consume power. Artificial intelligence's predictive capabilities are optimizing energy demand forecasting, enhancing grid management, and increasing the efficiency of renewable energy integration. Smart grids equipped with AI algorithms respond dynamically to fluctuations in demand, promoting sustainable energy distribution. AI-driven algorithms aid in predicting maintenance needs for energy infrastructure, reducing downtime and improving asset management. Moreover, AI is accelerating research in energy-efficient materials and processes, driving innovation in solar, wind, and battery technologies. However, as the energy sector embraces AI's potential, considerations about data security, algorithmic transparency, and ethical implications must be addressed. The AI revolution in the energy sector holds the promise of a greener, more efficient, and sustainable energy landscape, revolutionizing the way we power our world. 9. Legal. The AI revolution is permeating the legal landscape, reshaping the way legal professionals work and delivering new dimensions of efficiency. Artificial intelligence is automating tasks that were once time-consuming, such as legal research and contract analysis. Natural language processing algorithms review and summarize legal documents, significantly reducing the time and resources required for these processes. AI's predictive capabilities are also influencing legal strategies, enabling lawyers to make more informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Case prediction models and analytics provide valuable tools for assessing legal risks and outcomes. Yet, the integration of AI in the legal industry raises ethical considerations, including the potential for biases in algorithms and concerns about transparency. As AI technology becomes more prevalent, upskilling and reskilling efforts are necessary to ensure legal professionals can effectively leverage these tools. 10. Creative industries. Creative industries encompass a diverse realm where imagination and innovation converge to shape culture and artistry. From visual arts to music, literature to film, and design to fashion, these industries thrive on human creativity. In recent times, the infusion of artificial intelligence has added a new dimension. AI-generated art, music, and content challenge conventional boundaries, sparking debates about authenticity and human-machine collaboration. While AI can assist in generating novel ideas and aesthetics, the essence of creativity remains deeply rooted in human emotion and context. Striking a balance between AI augmentation and preserving the distinct touch of human creativity is a pressing consideration. As creative industries continue to evolve, the synergy between human vision and AI capabilities promises to shape the future of artistic expression. The AI revolution is not just a technological shift, it's a paradigm shift that affects every facet of our society and economy. The 10 industries mentioned here are just the tip of the iceberg. AI's influence extends far beyond. As AI technologies continue to evolve, society must grapple with complex challenges, from ethical considerations to regulatory frameworks, data privacy, and the equitable distribution of AI's benefits. Striking a harmonious balance between technological innovation and human values will determine the trajectory of the AI revolution and its impact on our world. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.